Definitive solution. Never worry about your fan again, just put a plastic bag on it. Today, we reveal a secret of extreme importance. All of this is related to your fan and a simple bag. Get ready to discover how such a common object can be impacting your expenses imperceptibly. Let's unravel this mystery so you can better understand this information. The fan is a widely used appliance, but the accumulation of dirt on its blades and inside the motor is common and often overlooked. What many people don't realize is that this dirt may be contributing to increased energy consumption. Traditional cleaning with toothbrushes or brushes may not be sufficient, and that's where the trick we are about to share comes in. The solution is surprisingly simple, involving just a bag and a very basic mixture. Start by mixing a tablespoon of toothpaste in 200 milliliters of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. The third component is detergent, which should be dosed according to the level of dirt on your fan. So, pay close attention to ensure the success of this trick. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Now, apply light sprays on the back and front of your fan. Depending on the region you live in, it is common for the fan to accumulate dirt quickly. The accumulation of dirt on the fan motor can result in high temperatures in the components, making it seem like the fan is just spreading heat around the house. To fix this, place a bag on the fan and slightly raise the blades. Turn on the fan for about 5 minutes while the bag is filled with air. It is crucial that you do not turn off the fan immediately after this period. Remove the bag carefully to avoid spreading dirt around the house. This effective method cleans the fan from the inside out, removing dirt from the motor, blades, and grills. A clean fan consumes less energy, as the accumulated dirt on the motor components is one of the main reasons for increased consumption. If your energy bill is higher than usual and you frequently use the fan, this easy trick can be the solution to reduce your expenses. When you leave the fan dirty, these dust particles contaminate the air quality in your environment. Notice how this strategy is truly surprising and effective. My fan was notably dirty, but after applying this technique, the result was an incredible and visibly cleaning.